5 Best Stick Vacuum for Pet Hair on Hardwood Floors Reviews. Number 1. Dyson V11 Animal Cordless. Dyson V11 Animal Cordless Vacuum is our top pick for its ultimate ability to tackle pet hair and clean hardwood floors. For offering deep cleaning, it comes with strong suction and long battery life. Besides, the Dyson DLS system intelligently optimizes motor speed based on the floor type for optimum sanitation. Therefore, the LED screen display lets you change the cleaning mode to Eco, Auto, and Boost automatically. In return, you can keep yourself free from the hassle of optimizing cleaning mode for vacuuming different floor types. Number 2. MOOSOO Cordless. If you are looking for an ultra-quiet and handheld vacuum for effortless cleaning operation, then MOOSOO Cordless Vacuum is just for you. The ultra-lightweight design of it enables you to roll it around and clean from floor to high places effortlessly. At the same time, the upgraded cleaner head is applicable for every floor type including hardwood and carpet. Besides, HEPA filters can capture 99.97% of debris, particles, and allergens and keep the interior air fresh. On top of that, the replaceable filter maintains the cleaning efficiency and extends the life of your vacuum. Number 3. Eureka Nes215a Blaze 3-in-1. If you are on a tight budget but looking for a decent vacuum for picking up pet hair and clean hard floors, then Eureka Nes215a is just for you. Though the price of it is comparatively low than other vacs on this list, it doesn't sacrifice the cleaning efficiency. Powerful 2-amp motor, capture nozzle, and filtration systems can pick up dust, dirt, and particles proficiently. For thorough cleaning, it has a swivel steering to improve maneuverability. In return, you can carry it around your home and clean evenly. The sweet part of this vac is it has come with a crevice tool to clean the hard-to-reach areas like couch cushions. The drawback of this affordable vacuum is its small and pivot head. Number 4. APOSEN Vacuum Cleaner Corded. At number 4, we bring APOSEN Corded Vacuum Cleaner for its ultra-lightweight, strong suction, and affordable price. APOSEN ST600 comes with a crevice nozzle for switching it to as a stick vacuum cleaner, hand vacuum, and stair vacuum. For the 3-in-1 versatility, you can cover every corner of your home and clean them deeply. Apart from the versatility, the lightweight design of the vac makes it ideal for tidying up floors to high places. On top of that, the extra long cord lets you clean the tight spaces as a breeze. Moreover, the 3-stage filtration system and HEPA filter can capture 99.97% of dust, debris, and dirt to improve the air quality. Nonetheless, you can change the filter for maintaining cleaning efficiency and suction power. Number 5. APOSEN Cordless. If you want to get a vac that is quiet but efficient, then APOSEN Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is what you look for. The compact and lightweight design lets you switch it to stick, floor, pet, and sofa vacuum for ultimate cleaning operation. Indeed, it is a 4-in-1 vac that is compatible with every floor type for minute tidying. The upgraded HEPA filter can handle 99.97% of dust, particles, and dirt and improve the air quality. In addition to this, the 35 minutes of running time enable thorough cleaning of your entire home. The only con of this vacuum cleaner is it doesn't let you install third-party attachments. However, you can fix this issue by getting specific accessories from APOSEN.